Greetings. I'm Rob McCoy of RAM Communications. Welcome to another installment of our Telecom 101 series. And in this segment, we're going to review Access One's latest hosted phone offering. Access One is a longtime trusted partner here at RAM. And today we're looking at the Polycom VVX350 and the Polycom VVX450 phone. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So, what you have here are the VVX315 and VVX415 Polycom phones. These are the latest in their series. Polycom has been making phones for at least 10 years now, maybe longer. At any rate, these are the latest in the line of their phone devices. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the 415 phone, but just know that if you have a 315 device sitting on your desk, the functionality is going to be the same. Here's how we place an outbound phone call. On this particular platform, with our partner Access One, we don't have to dial a 9 or a 1. So I'm going to dial the area code and the phone number. I can press speaker, I can pick up the handset, I can even press the dial button. Number of ways that you can dial an outside call.
Thank you for calling RAM.
Notice that the phone number is displayed
you
here.
may dial it at any time, or please choose from one of the following
My
options.
speaker button goes
Customer
green,
service, please press 1. For information
and obviously
about
I have a call.
products and service.
I can pick up the handset, listen to my caller. Once I have that call, my smart keys will give me different labels. If I'm in a current call, I can press hold. Notice when I'm in hold, the light flashes red here at my extension. If I want to resume, I can the call. I can either press the resume button or I can press on the hold button. Call goes back to green. And there we go. The other reason that I have two phones here is I want to show you how I can dial from extension to extension. Here's how that's going to work. I can do this a number of ways. If I'm on a system in my office that has 30, 40, 50 different phones, I could go through an extension list and just dial the person's extension. In this case, I know that my other extension is 11. So if I press 11 and press dial, my other extension is going to ring. I can pick that up. And now I'm having a conversation with the other phone. Like the call that I made earlier to the outside world, if I make a call internally to another extension, I can put that call on hold. And if I do so, there's my hold status. Notice that my active call is also lit up on the right-hand side with my extension. Again, I can press resume or I can press the hold key to go back to my caller. And now I have my call. I hope that you found the information here helpful on the 350 and the 450 phones. I also hope that we were able to communicate to you some of the advantages of our partnership here with Access One. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, give us a call or send us a note and we will be happy to help. Thanks again and have a great day.